Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Christian Hartmann. I'm a blogger with Cross-Border Biotech. We're here live at the Buzz Center at the 2012 Bio Convention, and I'd like to introduce my guest, Dr. Sanj Singh of Aday Therapeutics. And Sanj, I'd like you to talk a little bit about your company.
Sure, thank you, Christian. Aday Therapeutics is a Canadian company, and we're focused in developing products for complications related to surgery. And why that's important today, Christian, I think more importantly, is that healthcare reform is looking at cost efficiencies in the healthcare system. And of course, we're addressing complications that result in readmissions back in the hospital. So we're a team of surgeons that have really developed a way to address one of the major complications, which is fibrosis or scar tissue that occurs after surgery, and which leads to about 1 in 3 readmissions back in the hospital. Mm-hmm. And by really preempting that process at the time of surgery, we have the potential to essentially not have those readmissions back in the hospital and really create a better quality of life for the patients that are there.
That's fantastic. And you mentioned team. You've got a exciting new team member now.
Yeah, we've been very blessed. I think it's the novel approach that we've taken. A general surgeon that developed the approach, but in the last year and a half, we've recruited a neurosurgeon that was trained at Stanford and Cleveland Clinic. And just recently, we announced on Monday the addition of Dr. Ike Ahmed, which is an ophthalmologist, and he's one of the leading ophthalmologists in the world, a glaucoma surgeon. One of the keynotes at the Ophthalmology Innovation Summit in Chicago, and the addition of him really validates what we're doing. Mm-hmm. And certainly here at Bio, a lot of companies, big pharma, mid-tier biotechs, have really expressed an interest in fibrosis and really novel approaches that worked on biology, but more importantly have a real value system that is delivered to the healthcare system. And our products really have that mix that's really attracting a lot of interest from partners right now.
That's fantastic. And Sanj, as an early stage life sciences company coming here to the biggest biotech convention in the world, of course a partnering convention as well, what is your thoughts and takeaways of the convention so far?
Well, I think it's, the world comes here and it's very easy to follow up. We've had lots of follow-up meetings with our partners, potential partners from Japan, Korea, Brazil, Europe, and of course here in the U.S. Mm-hmm. So it's a good way to do that, and of course it's a little bit of a speed dating, but the networking situations also allow for some of the opportunities to continue some of those discussions with some of the more people that are a little further interested in our sense. And it also allows us to discover some of the interesting things and potential partnerships. Right. One of them actually I can share with you today is we had a really good discussion with the U.S. Medical Research and Materials at Fort Detrick. A lot of their areas in, of course, combat casualty care is related to a lot of the things that we're doing in ophthalmology, even in head injuries, brain injuries. Right. And so we're pretty excited to have these discussions and see the possibility of perhaps creating some collaborative agreements and moving those things forward.
That's fantastic. And you mentioned collaborative agreements. Is that one of your goals going forward over the next year? Well,
I think so. Given the cost of development and time frame, I think you have to collaborate. Mm-hmm. Our neurosurgery program for epidural fibrosis and spine surgeries and craniotomies is actually, and I can see them from here, is a collaboration with DSM Biomedical. Right. We're excited about that collaboration, which we're moving into humans later this year. And of course, our phase 2 asset is in gynecology and women's health, and that's that'll read out probably about May, June of next year. So really excited about the product portfolio and its value proposition, particularly to patients and also the healthcare system at the same time.
Sanj, I'd really like to thank you for your time, and for everybody out there, this video will be tweeted on I Am Biotech. It will also be posted on Cross-Border Biotech, so please stay tuned. And thank you very much for your time.